Hi everyone, I often get asked by the viewers that they want to see how I upload photos on Instagram. They are mostly interested in how I keep high image quality and how I compose 3:2 ratio vertical photos on 5:4 ratio frame. I believe the composition is a very important factor for photographers. Modern camera frame is 3:2 ratio, or otherwise call it as 2:3 ratio, but unfortunately Instagram accepts 5:4 ratio for vertical photos. Isn't it a nightmare for us? The composition is destroyed when you upload photos on it. So I looked for the way to upload 3:2 ratio photos smartly but keeping high image quality at the same time. I tried some apps, but most of them automatically decrease the image quality. Then I finally found the best solution, which I'm going to share with you. This is a general flow of how it's done. Step 1. Export photos in high image quality. As my photos are taken by RAW, I need to export them into JPEG. Step 2. Transfer the photo to the smartphone. Step 3. 3:2 ratio into 5:4 ratio. Step 4. Upload the photo on Instagram. My PC is Mac and smartphone is iPhone. I'm starting from the part of exporting a picture. Hit the right click and select export. You can set all the export settings here, but the important thing is here, quality at the file settings. I set it at 100. You can set it at 85 or 90 if you don't want to keep a heavy file. Try some settings by yourself and find the best image quality for yourself. Then hit export. AirDrop is my favorite tool for transferring files since I use iMac and iPhone. You can keep the original file size and it takes less than just 1-2 seconds to transfer a photo. First of all, connect both PC and smartphone to the same Wi-Fi. Prepare the picture file on screen and open one more Finder window. Hit the AirDrop here. If you are properly connected to the same Wi-Fi, then you will find an iPhone sign here. Drag your picture to the iPhone and drop. Transfer is done instantly. When I upload a vertical photo to Instagram, I convert 3:2 ratio photo into 5:4 ratio first. I show you how it's done. I use Photoshop Mixup. Open the app. Hit plus. Then go to Custom Canvas to make 5:4 ratio frame. I set it at 3200 width and 4000 height. Then title the frame and press create. Go back to the first page and select what you have just created. You see the 5:4 ratio blank frame. Now paste the white color onto it. Press plus again and select color. Default color is white, so you don't need to touch anything here. Just press done. You see that the frame is white now. Next, press plus again and select image. Press on my iPhone. Then select a photo you want to upload. Question pops up. Select cancel here. Then press export button. You can make any types of compositions with this app. Make your own composition if you want to have the sense of unity on your Instagram feed. Open Instagram and press plus. Select the photo you've just created on Photoshop Mix and press here to upload a vertical photo. Now you see the full composition of it. Continue to finish uploading as you always do. That's all. Okay, that's all for today. Please press good if you like my video and subscribe my channel and Instagram. See you again at the next video. Bye!